I'm so happy, and I'm sure everybody's happy out here, that we have our first woman guest on the Vishal Hour.
I'm a very ordinary person, and I feel like if I can do this, everyone can do it. And I feel even if like 5 people are inspired, I feel it's completely worth. जब मैं जाती थी तो लोग कहते थे कि इंडिया में टेस्टी बिकता है, हेल्थ कहाँ बिकता है, क्यों ये प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हो? And I would be like, there is no better time to start a business, and there's no better time for a woman to start business because
For a man to do something like this, would it have been difficult?
then Indigo आके पूछे कि हमें भी चाहिए. 10 years into the company, वो order consistent है 10 साल.
Outstanding. But tell us क्यों?
For the pilots now, they need something that is easy to eat, that stays stable at various temperatures, and that is nutritious, and they need it at a certain price point.
How important is earnesty and honesty to Suhasini?
The only asset you truly have is what people think about you. It's the only asset that carries you through life.
वो moment जब ITC के साथ 500 करोड़ का डील योगा बार के साथ इन्वॉल्व हुआ, that point, how did you feel?
After all the natural sources, you'll still have a gap of about 20 to 30 grams.
So how do you get your protein?
How do you get your protein? So then you eat your 20 gram protein bars, you eat protein powder.
This is an indication,
Yeah.
right? आप अपने बच्चों को अगर अपना प्रोडक्ट दे रहे हो, इसका मतलब है कि इसमें कोई बात है भाई.
वो तो I'll be very honest. If our brand makes it, it will all be there.
I want to make it very, very clear that there is no sponsorship, there is no money exchanged. I genuinely like this product a lot, and this has been a breakfast staple for me for a very long time. So thank you very, very much. It's an absolute pleasure to meet you. So
Thank you.
let me just get on to a formal introduction. So a woman who basically started off this business, this hobby, from her kitchen, and then grew it into something fantastic, and eventually sold it at a whopping 500 crores to ITC. This story is not only inspirational, which it is, but it's extremely motivational to anybody at any age, whether they're a girl or a boy. And that motivation is that you can pick up your dreams and work really hard at it and achieve pretty much anything you want in your life. इनका एक मंत्र है कि time is much more valuable than anything in the world, including money. And we'll come to that a lot. So, keeping that mantra in mind and not wasting her time anymore, I love, and I'm so happy, and I'm sure everybody's happy out here, that we have our first woman guest on the Vishal Hour. And I'm so happy that it is Suhasini, who is the co-founder of Yoga Bar, one of my favorite go-to breakfast meals. Suhasini, it is an absolute honor and a privilege and a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you so much, Vishal. I mean, I should be super honest. I'm quite an introvert. I actually don't like any kind of publicity. Like, I'm a very, like...
I know
very,
what it
very-
took me to get you here.
Yeah.
I know.
But like when you told me like you want to like bring out this woman's story, and you also want to inspire other women, and I feel like I'm a very ordinary person, and I feel like if I can do this, everyone can do it. And I feel even if like 5 people are inspired, I feel it's completely worth coming and doing these shows, right? Like, I would definitely say that I'm super happy that you chose me to be like the person to tell.
You heard that? I chose Suhasini, co-founder of Yoga Bar. No, that's not true at all. But you have inspired more than 5 women. And not only women, I think gender doesn't really exist in your vocabulary anymore. क्योंकि लड़का, लड़की, ये सब कहने की चीज़ें हैं, unfortunately अब भी है हमारी सोसाइटी में, नहीं पूरी दुनिया में. But I want you to know that you have really inspired. I have a daughter who's 10 years old.
Yeah.
And when I tell her stories about women, I want you to know that you're one of them.
That's
Pressure.
that's,
And you just met her.
Yeah.
So she just met her hero.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping that, of course, women and girls get inspired and motivated by you.
Yeah.
I hope that happens.
Yeah. No, I mean, like you said, men and women alike, but women obviously softer spot because I
Was
do
it difficult for you as a woman, or did you have a lot of support? Tell me something about that. Let's start off
actually,
with that.
Vishal, you know, in my case, like I actually benefited being a woman.
Yes.
And I feel like we are in this India where there are people like you, like there are retailers who want to promote women entrepreneurs. There is no better time to start a business, and there's no better time for a woman to start business because everybody wants to do, like when I would go to a retailer, like Reliance पे जाती थी और बोलती थी कि मेरा product रख लो. And अगर if I was like, if the story wasn't great, right? Like जब मैं जाती थी तो लोग कहते थे कि इंडिया में टेस्टी बिकता है, हेल्थ कहाँ बिकता है, क्यों ये प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हो? And I would be like, listen, but हम कर रहे हैं, ईमानदारी से कर रहे हैं. We're 2 women entrepreneurs. मैं US छोड़ के आई. You know, मेरी माँ ने भी हेल्प किया इस प्रोडक्ट को बनाने. आप अपने फैमिली के लिए ले लो. And nobody has refused me. Nobody.
Why do you think that
छोटे से छोटे shopkeeper. Because I feel we are in an India which appreciates hard work. They want to see women prosper.
Yes.
They, a lot of people also have daughters. I'm sure that a lot of the retailers, somehow you also see that, you know, when you meet, you either see your sister, or you see your daughter, or you see your mother, right? And you want, like, कोई तो try कर रहा है ना, तो like let us be part of that story to help. We are a helpful culture in general. If somebody asks me also, like if it's something you can do, you would do, right?
But now let's get down to it. All right. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. सबसे important meal तो breakfast ही होता है. आपने कुछ ज़्यादा ही seriously ले लिया इस बात को, क्योंकि आप breakfast को replace कर रहे थे. और क्या brilliant idea था. You know, आपके आवाज से, आपके tone से ये better sound करेगा. Tell us the story of Yoga Bar.
हाँ, तो I was in the US, तो मैं गई थी पढ़ने के लिए. I used to live with my sister.
आप क्या पढ़ाई कर रहे थे?
So I had finished my CA, so I was doing my MBA. So
आप फाइनेंस की दुनिया से?
हाँ, फाइनेंस की दुनिया
रुचि रखते हैं?
हाँ, मेरे पिताजी भी CA थे, CA lawyer CS थे, तो मैं भी बन गई CA.
Okay.
So I was living with my second sister, and मैं क्लास जाती थी, और like when we both of us used to also go to the yoga class. So Bikram yoga का क्लास होता था न्यूयॉर्क में, तो जब भी हम क्लास फिनिश करके जाते थे तो वो ट्रेडर जोस का एक शॉप होता था बिल्कुल सामने. हाँ, तो हम वहां जाते थे और यू यूज्ड टू गेट दीस काइंड बार्स.
हाँ जी.
और वहां लिखा था कि इंग्रेडिएंट्स दैट यू कैन सी एंड प्रोनाउंस. तो जब हमने पलट के देखा तो एवरी सिंगल इंग्रेडिएंट्स हमको समझ में आएगा. लाइक इट वुड बी आलमंड्स, यू नो,
सब नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट, कोई केमिकल वगैरह नहीं है जी.
तो हम सोच, लाइक बिकॉज वी वर इन फाइनेंस फील्ड, हम तो लेट वर्क करते थे. KPMG में तो हम 12 o'clock निकलते थे घर. हाँ, तो कभी भी कुछ हेल्थी खाने के लिए नहीं होता था. जब मेरी सिस्टर भी फाइनेंस में है, तो वो EY में काम करती थी, मैं KPMG में. तो जब उसने like when she saw the bar, she's like, I don't know why there's not something like this in India. If it was in India, I would call it yoga bar. हमें कुछ पता नहीं था कि we will do this company. मैंने उसको बोला कि let's trademark it. So we trademarked the company 4 years before we even started it.
That's brilliant, yeah.
So I just love the trademark.
And I love the name.
Yeah, yoga bar was brilliant. I'm like, that was kind bar. Like it was, I mean, making the world kinder one bar at a time. Yeah. So I'm like...
Yoga bar.
Yeah, but yoga bar was way cooler, right?
Yeah.
So I trademarked it. And then I came back to India. I set up a finance consulting company. तो बहुत सारे startups के लिए हम accounting करते थे, CFO services वैसे. So I met an investor. So I met Kaval during this process because I used to sit on the board for all of these startup companies. And then मैंने निकाल के दे दिया. Like I was eating it during a board meeting.
very innocently.
Very innocently. Like he was asking me like what are you eating?
और ये कमल I believe एक VC है.
हाँ, very popular. Like he runs this VC called Fireside Ventures.
Of course.
At that time he was an angel investor, so he used to actively invest in a lot of.
तो उनकी भी शुरुआत आपसे ही हुई है.
हाँ, तीन like it was during the same time he invested in Paperboat, Epigamia. सब कुछ. हाँ. So he did a
तो आप एक मीटिंग में थे,
yeah.
which was nothing concerned or connected
yeah.
आपकी योगा बार से,
yeah.
और आपने उस मीटिंग के दौरान ये जैसे obviously not this packaging,
नहीं just a
प्लास्टिक में ऐसे कुछ जो निकाल कर आपने बोला कि ये है मेरे पास, आपका अगर भूख लग रही है तो आप खा लो.
हाँ, मेरी माँ ने बनाया था. Like we had
किचन में बनाया
था. तो then after that,
उसमें क्या क्या था?
Just almonds, oats, walnuts, seeds, just jowar, bajra, ragi,
वो जो
whole grains, nuts and seeds.
Correct. Okay.
वही था. Like we only changed that combination. So once he ate it, like he doesn't like healthy food, तो उसको product तो समझ में नहीं आया. He's like, why are you? Then I told him, I'm like, Kind Bar की story देखो. And Kind Bar sold to Mars for $5 billion.
Wow.
And even bars in the US, Cliff Bar, Kind Bar, and it was the first time he even knew something like protein bars and health bars exist.
हाँ.
And once he researched, he's like, I'll tell you what, I'll give you like 20 lakhs. If you can make a business. Otherwise, I'll just be like, I've encouraged an entrepreneur.
क्या बात करें?
हाँ.
What are you saying?
Yeah, that's it.
Nothing, no conditions.
No conditions.
I believe in you, आप ये ले लो 20 लाख रुपए और देखो कि कहाँ जाता है.
देखो, but by the time he has context, because people who worked around me knew I was a certain kind of hardworking,
of course,
and little bit responsible.
No, of course,
right?
of course.
So
ऐसे भी
like it wasn't a strange.
ऐसे नहीं होता है कि आप किसी को भी एक चॉकलेट बार दो या कोई भी बार दो और वो आपको 20 लाख रुपए दिखाए. ऐसा नहीं होता है. आप anyway, please go.
There was some reputation, like contextual reputation, right? So then after that, that's how it started, and then Kamal got a few of his friends to invest, and then that's how it all started.
But when you start a business like this and all of a sudden आपको 20 लाख मिलते हैं, 40 लाख मिलते हैं, ठीक है, आप फाइनेंस वर्ल्ड से थे, लेकिन उस वक्त आपने सोचा था या पैसे मिलने के बाद आपने इसे बिजनेस बनाने की कोशिश की?
नहीं. So once you deliberate on the idea, you have to give a proper plan. So मैंने अपनी सिस्टर को वापस बुला दिया US से. She was in the US. She was still with EY. So I said, listen, come back. We found somebody
Ernst & Young की नौकरी छुड़वाकर आपने बोला आप आओ और
आओ.
हमें 20 लाख 40 लाख का इन्वेस्टमेंट मिल गया है
और हम शुरू करते हैं. In the meantime, I also went to a government bank. So what is the piece of advice here is government runs a lot of schemes to encourage entrepreneurs. जैसे कि CGT MSc स्कीम एक होता है women entrepreneurs के लिए. बहुत ही स्कीम्स
कुछ करोड़ रुपए तक आपको
1 करोड़.
प्लीज बताइए उसके बारे में.
हाँ, तो CGT MSc स्कीम में बिजनेस प्लान, you can go to any public bank and the bank will give you 1 crore of loan at 8 to 10%.
What?
Guaranteed by the central government. तो इक्विटी भी नहीं देना पड़ता है.
So you don't have to give any
no collateral.
No
collateral. It's a collateral free loan. The collateral is the central government.
और conditions क्या होते हैं?
नहीं, like you have to, I mean.
Is it only for women?
No, the CGT MSc scheme is for men and women, but they have a quota for women. So definitely, like you get preference if you're a woman.
Can you please tell us कि उसके criteria क्या है? अगर किसी को कोई देख रहे हैं उन्हें लोन की जरूरत है, तो please can you tell us?
So business plan बहुत ही अच्छा. Like I'll tell you, like the measurement criteria is the qualifications of the entrepreneur, gender, then you have a marking system, then the business plan, strength of the business plan, and if you have any backing. Like if you put some capital in the business, that also they take into consideration.
Okay, so आपने इसके लिए अप्लाई किया और ये बहुत ही अच्छा इन्फॉर्मेशन है.
15 days में मिल गया पैसा.
My God.
15 days.
ये देखिए ये इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. I'm sorry to interject, लेकिन let's underline this information कि गवर्नमेंट की बहुत सारी स्कीम्स हैं. मतलब कौन सोच सकता है कि बिना कोलैटरल आपको 1 करोड़ रुपए मिल रहे हैं जो गारंटीड है.
अब वो बढ़ गया है. So now it's 5 crores. The limit is 5 crores.
And rate of interest?
8 to 10%.
Okay, amazing. We've already got what we need for this podcast. Thank you very much. I hope you got knowledgeable. See you later. But wow, तो ये आपको 15 दिन के अंदर उसके ऊपर 1 करोड़ रुपए का एक सैंक्शन हो गया लोन. वो एक ही साथ मिलता है या जब भी आपको निकालना है?
नहीं, वो फुल्ली सैंक्शन हो जाता है.
Okay, फिर क्या हुआ जी? तो इस वक्त you're sitting on 1 crore 40 lakh rupees.
Yeah.
Give and take.
Yeah.
Then
what we first did was we actually went to Coimbatore and chicky manufacturers.
हाँ, वहाँ बहुत बनाते हैं.
हाँ, बहुत बनाते हैं. So the only proxy for bars was chicky.
Correct. Protein.
Peanuts. I mean, हाँ, peanuts.
मूंगफली, बिल्कुल जी हाँ.
हाँ, तो we went and got a sheeting machine, cutting machine, packaging machine. We got the entire line.
Okay, you bought it.
We bought a line.
हाँ, कितने का आता है उस वक्त?
उस वक्त I think about 20 lakhs.
अच्छा.
Full.
ओहो, पैकेजिंग तक.
End to end, right from the sheeting, cutting, packaging.
ओके, तो वो अब मशीन आपने एक्वायर कर ली 20 लाख रुपए में, बचे 1 करोड़ 20.
हाँ, 1 करोड़ 20, and that of course you have to take for starting of the business. You have a rental deposit to pay.
बिल्कुल.
Then you have people to hire. But we were quite profitable the first 2 years of our business.
Tell us about that. Okay, आपकी बहन वापस आ गई हैं, वो आपके साथ co-founder होंगी. उनका नाम क्या है?
Anandita.
Hi Anandita. I hope you were also here. But okay, so आप लोगों ने ये रेलगाड़ी स्टेशन से निकल गई है. आपका एक लाइनअप आ गया है, मशीनरी आ गई है, पैकेजिंग आ गया है. ऑफ कोर्स डिजाइनिंग वगैरह की बात आपने सोची होगी. नाम तो ऑलरेडी था योगा बार. तो वॉक अस थ्रू दैट टिल द डे जहां पर आपको अपना पहला परचेस ऑर्डर मिला. फर्स्ट सेल, वो तो एक और चीज होती है.
तो सी लाइक इन द बिगिनिंग इतना like we would not focus on the packaging. We were more keen to actually get like customers, right? and the first customers you get are institutional customers.
अच्छा.
So मैं गूगल के ऑफिस पे गई और ये ट्रांसपेरेंट पैकेजिंग को लेके मैंने उनको बोला कि लिसन विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, प्लीज आप ट्राई कर लो. अगर आप everybody has like this particular, people have like, there is if I'm not mistaken, even in the JW Marriotts of the world, everybody has a certain number of business dealings that they need to do with women run businesses.
Oh, I see.
Everybody, like it's a mandate because
Okay.
you want to promote
women entrepreneurs.
women led businesses.
Mhm.
So a lot of institutional clients, LinkedIn, Google,
Wow.
all of them started taking our buzz.
But may I ask you something?
Hmm.
For a man to do something like this,
Yeah.
would it have been difficult? I mean,
not
ease of penetration into such institutions.
not really. Like I think
So ultimately, it's a product which
it's
talks.
yeah, if the product doesn't work, you'll never get a second order.
तो आप Google वगैरह के पास गए
Yeah.
और आपने sampling किया.
And each one has to use their strengths. A man might use a different strength. Like like
No, of course,
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
there's no, come on,
yeah.
nothing to take away. You
Yeah.
must work on your strengths and then showcase that.
Exactly.
Yes,
right?
yes. I'll give you
So-
a little bit of a anecdote if you don't mind and
Yes, of
intervene. Because मैं एक एक्टर हूँ
हम्म.
और पिछले 20-30 साल से मैं कंसिस्टेंटली काम कर रहा हूँ. थोड़ी सी लोकप्रियता हो गई है. जब मैं बिजनेस करता हूँ, जो मैंने
हम्म.
आपसे कहा है, वो जो मेरा फील्ड है और जो लोकप्रियता वहां से मिलती है, वो बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल होता है जब
Yeah.
मैं किसी के साथ मीटिंग के लिए जाता हूँ.
Yeah.
तो वो सॉफ्ट पावर
Exactly.
हम यूज कर रहे हैं यहाँ
Of
पर,
course.
आप वो यूज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अल्टीमेटली वो एंट्रेंस जो हो गए उसके बाद जो है योर प्रोडक्ट
Has to
matters.
speak.
तो
yeah.
यू वेंट देयर, यू
हाँ.
डिड योर सैम्पलिंग, उसके
Yeah.
बाद बताइए.
तो उसके बाद लाइक देन वो कॉर्पोरेट्स में बहुत ही अच्छे तरह से स्टार्टेड चलने लगा. लाइक गूगल स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग मी सेइंग आप करो लाइक पहले 300 bars लिए, नेक्स्ट मंथ ऑर्डर वाज 1000 bars. और
Wow.
and all our institutional customers are still our customers today.
May I ask you a question?
10 years हो गए.
मार्जिन क्या था?
नहीं, it's very reasonable, 20 to 25%.
नहीं, जो आप मतलब एमआरपी पर या जो बेसिकली
MRP
आपका
पर.
मार्जिन क्या था? जो अगर आप 100 रुपए का उन्हें
See,
इंस्टीट्यूशन को
food में
भेज दें,
उतना मार्जिन नहीं है. I mean सच बोलूं तो
उस
actually
वक्त मैं
help-
पूछ रहा हूँ, अभी नहीं, क्योंकि उस वक्त तो
something
एमआरपी का
कर-
कुछ था ही नहीं, क्योंकि आप तो इंस्टीट्यूशन को बेच रहे हैं.
हाँ,
तो इंस्टीट्यूशन को आपने 100 रुपए
पर
में
उसमें
बेचा.
भी उस MRP लिखना पड़ता
लिखना तो
है.
पड़ता है,
हाँ.
लेकिन आप एमआरपी तो नहीं बेचते हो उस पर.
हाँ नहीं,
तो आपने डिस्काउंटेड रेट पर उन्हें बेच
बेच
दिया.
दिया तो हम
आपका बचता?
30-40%.
वो तो ज्यादा है, बहुत ज्यादा है.
नहीं, वो व्हाट डू यू से, पर्सनल केयर में तो 70% बचता है.
Well,
30-40% मैं यू कांट डू मार्केटिंग तो
नहीं, बिल्कुल, आई अंडरस्टैंड.
हाँ.
सो आपको 300 का ऑर्डर मिला, फिर उसके बाद 1000 का ऑर्डर
हाँ.
मिला, और फिर गाड़ी
और
चली.
हमने बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूशंस में भेजने शुरू किए. देन बहुत सारे योगा स्टूडियोज को, लाइक 1000 योगा का एक योगा चेन था, वहां बिकने लगा. देन इंडिगो आके पूछे कि हमें भी चाहिए.
इंडिगो एयरलाइंस.
इंडिगो
हाँ, ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है.
फॉर देयर नॉट फॉर सेलिंग, फॉर देयर क्रू.
प्लीज ये बताइए, इसके बारे में
अभी भी
बताइए.
ऑर्डर है, लाइक
I know.
10 years into the company वो ऑर्डर कंसिस्टेंट है 10 साल से.
आउटस्टैंडिंग. बट टेल अस क्यों, दिस इज कॉन्टेक्स्ट होना चाहिए.
हाँ,
इंडिगो एयरलाइन में
हाँ,
बताइए.
because for the pilots now they need something that is easy to eat, that stays stable at various temperatures, and that is nutritious, and they need it at a certain price point.
Is
और
it
बहुत
healthy?
ही
Is yoga bar healthy?
100% healthy. Is it more healthy than the dal chawal and like the idlis you would get at home? Absolutely not. हम वो promote भी नहीं करते हैं. हम बोलते हैं कि घर का खाना मिल रहा है तो घर का खाना खाओ.
It's a
Like-
much healthier option.
It's a much healthier option to every packaged food available out there. Very like nutritious, very easy to eat, and yeah, and protein rich, right? And you have to fulfill your protein requirements in a day.
Very important.
Yeah.
I'm going to get to that, but let's continue about Indigo Airlines and the pilot aspect and continue from there.
हाँ, तो like so a lot of these orders enabled us to start the factory. Because factory requires 5-6 people cost, you need an accountant, you need all of that. And now once we got the institutional orders, we started doing it.
And that's where the actual
where it
business took
Yeah.
off. From the time of
वो 0 का 10 एक जर्नी होता है. 0 to 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs to 1 crore एक जर्नी होता है. 1 to 10 crore जर्नी होता है. 10 to 500 एक जर्नी होता है.
did you have a figure in mind?
I had 100 in mind. Like when I started, I had 100 in mind, but मैं यही बोलती हूँ कि मैंने कम सोचा.
So your message is think big.
Message think big. You will land as much as you aspire, so aspire big always. वो learning बोलते हैं ना, that's my learning. Like you should always dream big.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So that started. और and ये जो प्रॉपर आपको 10 साल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिला, बड़े बड़े कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स ऑर्डर आने मिले, जब से आपने वो बार आपके वीसी को दिया, तब से लेकर ये टाइम फ्रेम कितना था? एक साल?
एक साल.
That's
Correctly,
very
एक
quick,
साल.
huh?
Yeah. एक साल. But हम बहुत like we were very very execution focused.
हाँ.
Like मैं और मेरी सिस्टर एक एक्सेल शीट रखते थे, एक्सेल शीट में सब टास्क लिस्ट बनाते थे, टाइमलाइंस बनाते थे, और एवरी वीक ट्रैकर होता था कि हम वेयर आर वी फिनिश्ड, व्हाट हैव वी डन. तो वो फर्स्ट 2 years तो ऐसे
बहुत ही डिलिजेंटली आपको.
या भागता.
So yoga bar took off at various places. I want to ask.
entrepreneur को नहीं लगता है कि टेक ऑफ हुआ है. हाँ, हमेशा लगता है कि कल रहेंगे कि नहीं रहेंगे.
So first phase start हो गया.
हाँ,
रॉकेट लॉन्च का फर्स्ट फेज हो गया है ना. इग्निशन बूस्टर्स, टेक ऑफ. अब पॉइंट है कि मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज अर्नेस्टी एंड ऑनेस्टी टू सुहासिनी?
See, I think, I mean, and people know this about me, reputation precedes. The only asset you truly have is what people think about you. It's the only asset that carries you through life. पैसा है आज, पैसा नहीं होगा कल, पैसा फिर से बनेगा. It's not an indicator. And I would never, like, my father was like that. My father died a very honest man. I don't think he's ever lied in his life. I don't think he's ever taken what doesn't belong to him. Very simple philosophy. What is not mine, I don't want. I will not take. And I will never tell a lie, right? And I also married somebody who's
honest,
like a Satya Harishchandra. like unko, in his view, even if you don't answer a question and it could make the other person think the answer is yes or no, that's a lie. You can't even, like, you might not directly lie, but keeping quiet is also a lie when it misguides the other person. So I am surrounded by people who are extremely honest. So for me, obviously, that's a very, very...
And it's a very important
quality. And you should do it for yourself.
Yeah.
Leave anybody else. Like, it's one of those things that are non-negotiable.
जो हम बात कर रहे थे पहले कि money is not really your driving force, कभी रहा नहीं है.
Yeah.
आप of course you understand the importance of money.
Yeah.
Of course you do.
Yeah.
But it's not the driving force.
Yeah.
But
I think it's true for most people. Like, if you ask yourself very, very difficult questions, like you truly ask yourself what it means to you, I think most people will tell you it cannot be the primary force. Like, even if you go and ask Bill Gates, he'll give you that answer.
क्योंकि एक पॉइंट के बियॉन्ड तो पेपर ही होता है ना जी. बट अब जो मेरा सवाल आपसे वो है कि वो मोमेंट जब आईटीसी के साथ वो 500 करोड़ रुपए का जो डील फाइनल हो गया था, व्हेन इंक मेट पेपर, जहां पर आपको यकीन हो गया कि ये हो गया है, नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम अ मनी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, लेकिन how did that moment, I want to take you back, take us all to that moment जहां पर 500 करोड़ का डील योगा बार के साथ इन्वॉल्व हुआ, that point, how did you feel?
Actually, मेरा कोई dramatic answer नहीं है. I actually felt nothing, to be very honest. Like, we also, I mean, in the South, it's very uncomfortable for me to ever talk about money, you know, and I knew, like, the next day, ITC is a listed company.
बिल्कुल.
So they have to send it to the exchange. I knew when my mother called me, she was going to scold. Like, we know the type who talk about money in the house. Like, my mother had no context. She knew something was going on. Neither I discussed the value, neither she asked. During the process, she'd be like, "Khyal rakhna, theek se khana, ye wo." So the next day, she called me. She's like, "Why did you go and tell everybody in the newspaper this has happened?" I'm like, "Why would you go around telling people?" And I'm just like, "Listen, I didn't do it." Like, so I was more reacting to my mother's panic.
That's so sweet.
Yeah, like, and I'm quite scared of her. Like, even today,
But that purity, I'm so happy कि आज भी हमारे इंडियन कल्चर में एग्जिस्ट होता है.
हाँ.
माँ
like,
जो होती है, माँ से सब डरते हैं.
Yeah, like, I would tell people, like, जब हम negotiate कर रहे हैं, like, if my mother's call comes, तो मैं पिक करके बात तो करूंगी. Like, I will not ignore.
मैं तो अपने मॉम से डरता ही हूँ, लेकिन अब मैं अपने बेटी की माँ से भी बहुत डरता हूँ. You know, so that's it. So the moment for you, Nestle was also involved in some.
But Nestle was very early.
Would you like to run us through that?
Yeah.
क्योंकि उसमें competition जैसा naturally पैदा हो गया. Please talk us through that.
So in all deals, right? Like, अगर आप घर भी बेच रहे हो, if you don't have a competing bidder, like, you need competing bidders to result in a fair value. You can't result in a fair value with only a single person wanting to buy an asset.
बिल्कुल.
Whatever it is.
Yeah.
पेंटिंग बेच रहे हो, घर बेच रहे हो, कुछ भी बेच रहे हो, राइट? And Nestle always wanted to buy Yoga Bar. Actually, हम बेचना नहीं चाहते थे कंपनी को, वो Nestle से ही शुरू हुआ, because they pursued it for some time.
Okay.
You know, so they kept on coming back and asking, and हमें लग रहा था कि वो ऑफलाइन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हमसे नहीं होगा, बिकॉज ऑफलाइन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लाइक वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के साथ रिलेशनशिप होना चाहिए, बहुत सारे ऑफलाइन रिसोर्सेज को मैनेज करना पड़ता है, हमसे नहीं हुआ या
बट नो रिग्रेट्स बट फायदा होता है जब दो लोग ऑब्वियसली एक से ज्यादा लोग compete करते हैं, तो
हाँ, because otherwise
वो कंपटीशन हुआ था नेस्ले और आईटीसी के बीच में.
There were other bidders also. वो चार, I mean, I can't, these two are public information, so I can talk about it, but there were quite a few bidders.
So you definitely got a better rate because of involvement of other bidders.
I think we got a fair
you
rate.
You got the rate,
fair rate, yeah.
that you want.
Because whatever price we get is also for where we land. Like, we haven't finished the sale to ITC. We also have to finish 1.5 more years. Yes. 31st March.
How is this deal structured? Would you mind telling us? No, you can't.
I mean, it's
oh, sorry, I didn't know. Yeah. पूछने में क्या? अगर बता देती तो exclusive हो जाता. But एक point होता है जहाँ पर लोग अमीर हो जाते हैं. Right now, I'm asking this. I'm knocking at Suhasini's finance mind, which I know is your first love. एक point हो जाता है जब लोगों के पास पैसा आ जाता है, वो अमीर हो जाते हैं. लेकिन बहुत मुश्किल होता है. अमीर होने से ज्यादा मुश्किल होता है अमीर रहना और फिर उस पैसों को और भी बढ़ाना और अमीर होना. मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट्स की बात कर रहा हूँ. इसके कोई टिप्स या ट्रिक्स हैं आपके पास जो बेसिक फंडामेंटल है? आज एक यंगस्टर या जो भी कोई भी स्टेज पर है, उनके पास एक कॉर्पस के पैसे आ गए हैं, रिच हो गए हैं, नाउ व्हाट?
तो आई थिंक द नंबर वन रूल ऑफ ग्रोइंग मनी इज सेविंग मनी. आई थिंक यंगस्टर्स,
are you frugal?
Extremely, to a point of madness. I have never, like, from when I was young, I always lived within my means, and I always had a saving habit. My saving habit is 70 or 80% of my income, whatever that income is.
Wow, how?
So,
really?
Yeah.
Possible?
Yes. I mean, if you really, really live within your means, and I always lived within my means, I would. Because money saved compounds.
Right. So now talk us through this. पैसे आ गए हैं, अब इसका क्या करें जो आज इन्वेस्टमेंट्स में घुस रहे हैं?
So I think the stock exchange industry, I mean, I'm a big one on India's future. So I would obviously say India per, like, the stock exchange is booming. It's been booming for some time.
लेकिन अब हम 25 में आ गए हैं, 24 But जो है वो थोड़ा सा you know.
See, in the stock exchange, it's always a long-term horizon.
What is long-term definition to you?
For me, it's 5 years.
Minimum 5 years.
Yeah, 5 years में your stock market index-related funds will give you 10 to 12% return.
Post-tax.
Post-tax compounded.
Compounded, correct.
It's very good return.
Why
very
not?
good return for very less risk.
FD कितना देता है?
FD
Post-tax.
Post-tax is about
2-3
6.
मेरा बैंक मुझे बहुत कम देता है.
No, you can't keep it in a savings account. You keep it in an FD.
FD.
Savings account gives you only 4%.
So you're saying equity, of course, right?
Yeah, I'm saying equity markets. I'm saying index.
Yes.
You should not, like, stock picking should only be done by people who have time to understand the stock.
Yes.
वो gambling की तरह करना.
नहीं, बिल्कुल.
Yeah, you should invest in the index. And that should be priced assets.
Okay.
Like, if you think that there is real estate available, but the price is much discounted because somebody wants a liquidity event, you could look at real estate.
Okay.
But you should only look at real estate when
you can afford it.
And
it is in that.
When you can afford it, when somebody is giving you a liquidity discount.
Okay.
If you buy real estate at market, you will never make more than 6 to 7%.
Which brings me to the point. Which brings me to the point is that I believe that you are a stickler for renting.
Yeah. But that is a life decision, and I'll talk about it, right? मुझे लाइफ में ऐसा नहीं जीना है कि घर है इसलिए मेरी डॉटर स्कूल जाएगी, जहाँ हम रहते हैं वो स्कूल को इन्फ्लुएंस करेगा. I will live my life जहाँ वो स्कूल में जाएगी, मेरा घर उसके पास है. अगर we start developing these feelings towards a house,
yes,
we give precedence to things that are less important.
बिल्कुल.
मुझे more important, like, I want the flexibility to move. Like, if my mother wants me to live in a particular place close to a hospital, your decisions cannot be based on developing a certain feeling for a beautiful house.
No.
ऐसे पे तो मैं
practicality ज़्यादा होती है.
Yeah, practicality. The only exception to that rule is like मेरा एक situation हुआ था. Like my house is very close to the office.
Okay.
But my landlord wants to sell the house.
Okay.
So I lost 1.5 months of time trying to find another house in the same apartment and then moving. If I know I'm going to live somewhere for 20 years, I would not want to keep changing house based on the landlord's decision.
Of course. And
you
also,
only protect for that.
Also, may I ask you, a financial point of view, say, is it nowadays money just blocked into one?
Of course. I mean, it's a very, very non-financially prudent decision to block your money in real estate.
So you would advise people to rent, of course, depending on other parameters, but on a financial aspect, you would advise people rent.
It's an emotional expenditure.
It's an emotional. It's a very old Indian thought frame कि अपना घर होना चाहिए जो correct है भी और एक दूसरी तरह से तो analyze your decisions.
But you have to also not get attached. You can't get attached to non-living things to influence decisions for living things.
Correct. Are you a detached person in totality?
Material things I definitely don't.
You don't have any attachment?
No. I don't.
What is your most expensive luxury item?
I don't have. I don't. I mean, I had a gift that somebody gave me of a bag that was.
जो आपने purchase किया है?
नहीं, कुछ भी.
तो आपको जो payout मिला है?
Maybe a dress that cost
clothes.
8,000 or 10,000, but that's about it.
That's about
my wedding sari was about 6,000. I bought it in Fab India, and that's about that.
So frugality is very very important.
I just don't like.
This is the way you are.
Yeah, I don't like me. It's just the way I am. I think I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing.
I personally feel it's brilliant. मैं वही बोलने वाला था.
पता नहीं. Like some people will say कंजूस, right? Like I would say it depends on the type of.
नहीं. It's your comfort zone, na?
हाँ, comfort zone.
Yeah. And it helps in the financial long term also. I know you're not doing it for the money.
I'll tell you where it helps. जब मैं Wharton से आई ना, तो सब like there were job offers where कई लोगों को $500,000 मिलता था. Right? So I come from a background where it's pure private equity, investment banking. ठीक है? If I was attached to money, it's impossible to go stand in a public bus stand and your friends see you. वो नहीं हो पाता था. Like my mother used to feel bad for me. कहती थी कि आपके friends सब कार में जा रहे हैं और तू क्या कर रही है? Like you're going and standing in a public bus stop. You know, it feels like you've not progressed in life. And she used to feel bad. Came from a very.
ये indicators होते हैं ना society के लिए.
And she used to feel bad for me. मैं बोलती थी ठीक है मुझे तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Unless I'm feeling bad, आपको क्यों? Like why should you feel bad? You know. Wow. And you can only do that if you don't care about what other people
think.
Like even today, I can stay in a very basic hotel. I don't like splurge. I don't.
And you're doing it out of your own will.
I don't care what other people think.
Yeah, well, that's amazing.
Like I don't. I mean.
So another advice in life, I think, Swasini, जो आप दे रहे हो कि to grow in life, one must be comfortable with themselves and not really bother about society.
Yeah.
And the trappings.
Like it's difficult for me to give advice
your
because
point
people
of
are
view.
different. But I do believe life is easier for it. Like आप at least discover कर पाओगे कि जिंदगी में आप क्या चाहते हो when you have lesser things to impress.
Correct. Obviously. You're freer. Less baggage.
Yeah.
Less baggage. I want to jump into a very बहुत ही important. This is personal also. Protein, nutrition and quantity हमारे शरीर में. I think अभी तक लोगों को इसकी importance, इसकी अहमियत पता नहीं है. I'd like you to emphasize on this.
See, Vishal, I think actually I'm a vegetarian and I don't really drink milk either. I stopped drinking milk years ago, right? So I think the standard rule is about 1 gram of protein for 1 kg of weight. So even if you can't reach that much, you have to have at least, like a lady needs to have at least 50 to 55 grams of protein. A guy, if he's working out, needs about 65.
2 grams per kg.
Yeah, 2 grams per kg becomes like 150 grams becomes a bit.
ज़्यादा हो जाता है. 1.5 तक. Yeah. If you're working out.
If you're working out, right? Fine. And I mean, of course, you should eat your eggs. Eggs is, of course, the number one way to eat protein. Every egg gives you 4 grams of protein. So how many ever eggs you can do? You can do paneer, but you'll also need to substitute because after all the natural sources, you'll still have a gap of about 20 to 30 grams. I'll give you an example. Like I got pregnant quite late.
Okay.
So I got married late in life and I had a kid immediately after I got pregnant, got married. But the point was the doctor would keep telling me you have to eat protein. And somebody like me is vegetarian. I won't eat fish. I won't eat egg. I won't eat anything.
So how do you get your protein?
How do you get your protein? So then you eat your 20 gram protein bars. You eat protein powder. You find like natural
Something
sources.
like this has around 10 grams of
This
protein.
has 10 grams.
Okay.
We have one bar that does 20 grams for people who work out.
Yeah.
We're launching protein powders. So we're doing all the vegan protein powders.
I want to talk about that. So the next product which is coming out of Yoga Bar universe is
going to be just protein focused. Different varieties of protein.
So
powders, we're doing protein shakes, like delicious shakes. So I'm trying to tell.
Where is it?
I'll send it to you.
क्या फायदा हुआ आपको मतलब आप दोस्त होने का?
Yeah. So आपका कॉफी हैबिट है ना वो चला जाएगा. With 26
मुझे नहीं निकालना अपना कॉफी का हैबिट.
Coffee is so tasty. Like वो cold coffee.
Oh, that way.
Cold coffee.
Flavor है कॉफी का.
Flavored cold coffee.
अब नहीं लाए ना. You're just teasing me.
नहीं. I'll send it to you.
It's on camera that you have to send me. Lovely. हाँ.
So we're doing the ready to drink
post-workout
drinks. We're launching that with all the cult gyms in the, like we're doing it across cult. And then we are launching protein biscuits with sattu and Ashirwad atta.
सत्तू मेरा फेवरेट. सत्तू के लड्डू जो है मैं यार 2-3 खा सकता हूँ. अयान खाता है तो कभी सत्तू के लड्डू खाए कभी?
And that's the affordable protein. So 50 rupees के like 10 grams of protein for one packet of biscuits.
अरे वाह.
So a protein biscuits and we're doing protein chocolates. Snickers की तरह like peanut protein chocolates 20 rupees में. मेरा बहुत मन चाहता था कि we should have one protein bar that is affordable.
Yes,
so वो 20 rupees का bar we are launching at 20.
तो आप बिल्कुल मास जा रहे हो अभी.
Of course.
Yeah, of course.
Because now the brand can carry it. Like I would say that.
No, but this is giving back to the society. Literally. क्योंकि प्रोटीन बहुत डेफिशिएंसी है हमारे देश में. बहुत न्यूट्रिशन अंडर न्यूट्रिशन है.
हाँ और बिस्किट्स की कैटेगरी में if you can eat a better biscuit and feed your kid better biscuit, why would you not?
Okay, but these are also healthier options.
Yeah, much healthier.
Healthier options.
Like we have the standard practice, 60 to 70% healthier than everything that occupies that shelf for that category, and only 10 to 20% higher price.
Okay, so I'm going to have it for 6 months. Your protein shake post my workout. और मैं आपको एक feedback बताऊंगा और frank वाला बताऊंगा.
हाँ, of course.
हाँ,
of course.
I'll call you back here to
पक्का.
This thing.
पक्का.
But is there anything more you want to tell us about the importance of protein and how we can intake it, other than having it from
natural sources, natural products? Like if you can have omelette, egg, do that. If you can have paneer is really good.
Yep.
Have yogurt, have milk. So obviously, like go to way only after you finish all the natural sources. जो बच्चा को
वो deficiency complete करने के लिए.
मैं तो like you know me, I'm honest. Like I will not try to sell something that you should always finish all your.
And once again, I want to reassure everybody, believe it or not, I don't know, but you're here because I'm an admirer of you as a person and everything that you've achieved. There is nothing monetary about this podcast. There's nothing about it. These are products जो मैंने आपसे पहले भी कहा था.
हाँ आपने.
मेरी कहानी योगा बार के साथ ये है. ये एक एडवर्ट बन सकता है. अरे वाह.
Really?
कि उस वक्त हमें भी एक्सपोजर था कि हम भी ट्रैवल करते थे और इस लाइन में वी हैव टू कीप अ सर्टेन एस्थेटिक्स और उसके लिए प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंटेशन तो रिक्वायर्ड था और घंटों जब हम शूटिंग करते थे तो कुछ ऐसे खाने में हमारा ऑब्वियसली प्रॉब्लम हो जाता और दूसरे जो प्रोटीन शेक्स वगैरह थे एटलीस्ट मी पर्सनली और मेरे बहुत सारे कलीग्स हैं हमें ब्लोट कर देता था. अब एक आम इंसान के लिए जो कैमरा को फेस नहीं कर रहा है दैट माइट नॉट बी टू मच ऑफ अ प्रॉब्लम. लेकिन हमारे लिए हमारी इंडस्ट्री में फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में हम जब प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट्स लेते हैं बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम ब्लोट अप ना हो और वो हो जाता था. तो हम ऑलवेज एक सब्स्टिट्यूट के लिए देख रहे थे कि यहाँ से कैसे मिले ज़्यादा यहाँ से कैसे.
एक्चुअली जब हमने लॉन्च किया ना that I think the entire cricket team used to eat our bars because jata tha, like I used to get a call and I knew that because Virat Kohli's team actually called us
to say that this thing, of course.
So now obviously
and हम सब जानते हैं Virat Kohli is very careful
very
about
particular
very
about
particular. वो vegan भी है ना.
Yeah.
तो आपके products vegan हैं?
Some of the bars that he used to eat, the breakfast bars and all that.
So you have that whole vegans के लिए भी है आपके लिए lactose intolerant के लिए भी है.
So even when we do whey protein, we'll do both. We'll do, I mean not whey protein. When we do the protein powder, we'll do whey proteins and we'll do the clean protein.
Clean protein.
So we'll do the lactose free plant based and we'll also do the whey protein.
I'm very, very excited because, you know, as you said, earnesty and honesty is a very big part of you.
Yeah.
And I would say you are the co-founder of Yoga Bar.
Yeah. But the underlying philosophy is always get your food. Like
you're not. आप ये नहीं बोल रहे कि ये substitute है खाने का.
No, yeah, you have to eat your regular food.
And
Like,
exercise.
Of course, there's no.
आप अगर योगा बार खाते रहेंगे और एक्सरसाइज नहीं करेंगे तो like anything else,
Yeah.
it will.
Yeah.
You know.
And the dals are very important. The idlis are important. I'm idlis because South Indian. That's what comes to my mind. But and the paneer is important. The milk is important. The egg is important. Meat, of
Bilkul.
course, I won't propagate because I'm very hardcore vegetarian.
Vegetarian. All right. Can you take us through a day of Suhasini?
I'm a very boring person, Vishal, unfortunately. But I'll tell you.
I'm having such a great time in this conversation, and we're learning and absorbing so
Yeah.
much. There's nothing boring about you.
Okay.
But please tell us,
Yeah.
what's
So,
the thing?
I will
Alarm घंटी कितने बजे बजती है?
6th. मैं अलार्म तो मैं लाइफ में अलार्म नहीं रखती.
Body alarm.
Yeah, body alarm. मैं फ्लाइट के लिए भी अलार्म नहीं रखती हूँ. Like even if I have 5 o'clock
You
flight.
live on the edge.
No, if I tell my brain in the night that I have to wake up at this time, I'll just wake up. Like
Okay.
I never need to keep an alarm. So 6:30, I get up at 6:30. 6:30 to 8:30 is only daughter time.
Oh.
So getting her ready.
How old is she?
She's now 5 years old. Yeah.
What's her name?
Arya. Very,
Hi, Arya.
very, very large reading habit. So I really spend my mornings.
So is my daughter's.
Yeah,
Lovely.
super.
Brilliant.
Yeah, it's just a very good habit, you know.
Ji.
Like, and I feel so the entire 2 hours goes in just sort of like cuddling, waking her up, getting her breakfast.
आपकी बैटरी रिचार्ज हो रही है.
हाँ, basically. तो मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है. Like I
बिल्कुल.
feel like that's the most beautiful part of the day.
Yeah.
So finish that, drop her to school, come back, go directly to office. So I reach office by like 9:15. So I'm an early office person.
Okay.
Then
और आपके घर के पास है आपने कहा था 10
बहुत
मिनट की
पास है
दूरी
because
पर.
Bangalore में traffic बहुत होता है.
जी
So
जी.
it's very convenient to just stay right next to office.
Do you walk to work?
No.
You have to take the car.
Yeah, because I mean it's about a half a kilometer, but it's a very, very busy street. Like it's not a like
Noted.
yeah.
Noted. So 6:30 you get up. 9 o'clock you're in the office. 9:30.
And also I use the car because I drop my daughter and then
And
my
then-
daughter's like a little bit far away and then I just take
Okay.
take the
Then?
same thing. Then after that, day progresses at about 2 o'clock when she comes back from school. Go and have lunch with her
At home.
at home
जी.
because it's right next door.
Yeah.
Come back. She falls asleep. Come back, and then after that, she plays. Blah blah blah. Finish my work at about 7:30. Go back, do the reading, do dinner. And
Do you cook?
Yeah, I mean, I cook sometimes, but not every day. Like the breakfast I'll
Yeah,
make.
yeah.
Breakfast and lunch because she used to take lunch with her.
And does Arya also?
Yes, she takes the energy bar. Like protein is strong for her. She's only 5 years
Of course.
old. So 4-gram protein bar is what she eats.
So this is what I'm trying to get at is
She
जब आप
propagates it by the way in the school.
excellent.
She's
your best brand ambassador.
Yeah, exactly. And वो बहुत tall भी है. Like she is 95 percentile height or something like that.
If you eat protein bar, you become, if you eat yoga bar, you get tall. No, but what I'm trying to say is that this is an indication,
Yeah.
right? आप अपने बच्चों को अगर अपना प्रोडक्ट दे रहे हो, इसका मतलब है कि इसमें कोई बात है भाई.
वो तो I'll be very honest. Like हमारे घर में if you open all the packaged food, if there's yoga bar, it'll always like if our brand makes it, it will all be there. Like oats, rolled oats is the number 1 rolled oats in the country. So we are number 1 in bars, number 2 in muesli, number 3 in oats.
I love your muesli. I hope you know that.
Yeah, I got it for you. I got it for you.
Oh, you got it? Okay,
Yeah,
you got. Where's it?
Yeah, here it is.
Really?
Yeah, this is.
So you didn't give me the whey protein. Oh, and you got me the dark chocolate cranberry.
Yeah.
Wow.
We also
Okay.
have protein muesli that's the same.
You know,
flavor, so
you know what I love doing with this?
Yeah.
Sorry, you also have a
Protein muesli that's the same flavor. So I'll send that to you because you'll eat the protein muesli a lot more.
lovely. So you know what I love doing about this? I love opening it and just munching on it.
Oh, you do that?
I
yeah.
do that. I'm gonna keep it. Guys, hold on to it. Don't eat it or eat it. But really, thank you for these lovely products. I want to know, Suhasini, as we're wrapping up this conversation, which I can go on for hours, but I know you have a hard stop. Stress management. How do you deal with it?
See,
You're an entrepreneur. You're a businesswoman. You are running and you're now committed. आपका जो काम है अभी तो ज़्यादा I'm presuming demanding हो गया है क्योंकि अब you're answerable to your investor also.
Yeah.
How do you deal with that stress? My God.
Vishal, I'll tell you a very philosophical answer to this one. Okay?
I'm hoping.
Yeah. I actually think if you give your children a very safe and secure childhood, you know you are giving them a lifelong gift. What I mean by that is I don't get overly stressed. I know how important things are for me. Unless a family member has a health issue or something's really struggling, like something happens to me, like my body's failing, I stress about those things. Like there was a situation in Yoga Bar when my mom was in the ICU for 1.5 months and I'd lost my dad like a few years before that. And that was a stressful, that's the only time I remember feeling truly stressed, right? Like I remember sitting in front of like, in the hospital. And I'm saying like that.
Those are your stresses.
Those are work is work. You do the best you can. Yeah. And the outcomes are the outcomes. You accept the outcomes for what they are and you move on with life because life is long and the things that are going to matter are not going to be things related to work. It's just the honest truth of it. And the more you know it, the better you are for it. So I don't stress about work. No, I work long hours. I'm a very responsible person. Like, I think certain things are very important. It needs to run a particular way and all of that. But after I do my best job, I leave the outcomes. Like the outcomes are a byproduct. But I don't stress. Like stress से तो कुछ होता नहीं है, फायदा तो नहीं है.
It's like trying to solve a maths problem chewing gum.
नहीं होगा ना. तो ऐसे तो नहीं होता है.
But if I can sum up what you just said is that आजकल हर उम्र के लोग जो हैं, especially बच्चे इतने stressed out होते हैं, even school में. कि आप किस चीज के बारे में स्ट्रेस कर रहे हो भाई?
I'll tell you an incident. मुझे आपको like, and we were, I mean, as a family, like education was very important to us. मैं एक बार फेल हुई, like in a chemistry exam. तो उस दिन ना मेरी माँ ने actually मुझे आइसक्रीम दिलाया. ये बोल के कि आप you studied hard for it. I know you'll be feeling bad because of where the outcome landed.
Yes.
So you should feel better. So that's why I'm buying you an ice cream. That lesson stayed with me for life. Like, you can't punish yourself about the things you tried hard about. Wow. And I feel like, I think those things are important. Like, you should appreciate the effort. You should detach from the outcome.
Amazing. Appreciate the effort, detach from the outcome.
Yeah. I would say that's wow. And remind yourself frequently. So I don't think I'm a big stress party, but my husband will say, you don't take stress, but you give everybody else stress. So.
I say the same thing about certain people. That's a good power to have. Social media has become a place where stress is also stemming from. Of course, social media has a lot of benefits.
Yeah.
But there's a dirty, dark side to it.
Yeah.
What is your relationship with social media?
I'm not.
No.
I'm on LinkedIn.
Yes.
LinkedIn's important. It's a professional network.
Why aren't you on any other social media? Because other entrepreneurs and achievers in your league, people who have created brands and sold it at certain people, are going and shouting on top of the rooftop, I had to find you. So मुझे बताइए, why aren't you self-branding? You don't find it in today's day and age important?
I don't want to be influenced by the things that impress other people.
Correct.
Okay, like I feel like I don't have a fan, like I don't have anything to really gloat about. I'm an ordinary person going to work every day, obsessed about my child, like most mums are.
You're a superwoman.
Obsessed about, like, I think I'm quite close to my parents, I'm quite close to my family, and that's all I care about. Like, I have nothing to really offer for people to. I mean, professionally, yes. I
think you're being humble about it, but I feel you believe it, and I know you know your strengths.
Yeah.
This is not a pretense. मैं जानता हूँ.
Yeah.
It's just not your vibe.
Yeah, it's not my thing.
It's just as simple as that.
And neither do I take, like, what am I going to say on social media?
I can tell you there's a lot you can say.
There's
a lot you can say.
But I don't want to be obsessed.
I'm not encouraging it. I'm just figuring it out कि आप है ही नहीं अब LinkedIn पर.
Yeah. LinkedIn, I'm on LinkedIn.
Except for LinkedIn.
Yeah. LinkedIn also was a late creation. My husband really goaded and pushed me and said that if you're making other people in the company do things they don't like, you have to at least do something. So please get active on social media. So he at least pushed me on LinkedIn. I kind of agreed. But he was doing the right thing for the company. But like, I would much rather not do anything. Yeah.
Can I ask you what एक बार क्या होता है कि जब आप इतना कुछ अचीव कर लेते हो relatively बहुत fast, ये पूरा span किचन से 50 करोड़ तक या आज के डेट तक कितने साल का है?
10 साल.
10 साल में आपने बहुत कुछ और बहुत जल्द अचीव कर दिया. ग्रेट. मोटिवेशन इंस्पिरेशन उड़ जाता है या अब आपके पास कुछ और भी गोल है? क्योंकि आपने पहले कहा था ना 100 करोड़ बहुत छोटा था, ड्रीम बिग. अब what is your next dream?
पता नहीं विशाल, like to be very honest with you, I grapple between कुछ social service करना है, like वो I don't know, maybe I'm not wired to be ambitious, like maybe I'm
No, but may I respectfully give you a point of view?
yeah.
Every aim and milestone in life is not financial, right?
Yeah, of
As you had
course.
told me,
Of course.
this is coming from
I
you
would
to
actually
me.
do very well in working with the government on policy.
Yes,
Like I'm
yes.
like if suppose somebody put me on like do what you can on the education side for the country, I'd be
Yes.
very good at that.
And
Like,
also, जैसे कि आपने educate किया हमें about the policy, the government जहाँ पर वो 1 से 5 करोड़ रुपए देते हैं at 8 to 10%, especially to women.
yeah.
इसके बारे में भी education हो सकता
Yeah,
है. वैसे policies भी अगर आप government
You
को
can
ज़्यादा
influence,
बनाएं,
yeah.
that's amazing.
But
And
I
of
think
course,
that, I mean, the path is quite difficult. In our country, I think you need to do IAS and all.
well,
पढ़ना
this
तो मैंने-
path is also very tough, madam.
That's true.
You
That's
know,
true.
yeah, मुझे लग रहा है आप अपने आप को थोड़ा सा berate कर रहे हो, which is not right.
Yeah.
You know, well-wishers like me
Yeah.
always want
Yeah.
people like you, especially हमारे छोटी-छोटी बच्चियां हैं,
Yeah.
and that's where the majority of our population is also going.
Yeah, good.
Any message for young girls?
Yeah, live a happy life, live a wholesome life, do the best that you want to do, and live your dreams. Like, जो भी है वो dreams. Like, live वो क्या? I used to use one word. Live fearless.
Fearless.
I mean, for me, fearless is also the synonym for happiness.
Yeah.
Live happy. Like, जो भी चाहते हो, like, make an attempt, make an honest attempt to live that life.
Yeah, because you know when you cross that threshold of fear,
Yeah.
खुशियां
Like, yeah.
जी.
And everything becomes possible, ना?
Hmm.
जो भी चाहते हो वो possible होता है.
You know, I look at you as a beacon of light for women for some reason. And I don't think कि आपने एक agenda किया है कि मैं जाऊंगी.
मैं नहीं करती हूँ.
नहीं
ऐसे,
ये
मैं
कोई
नहीं करती।
मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ लेकिन I know कि अगर मैं I'm sitting so close to you and I'm getting this energy from you which is about motivating people, I'm sure कि a lot of people watching this will definitely get inspired and motivated to follow their dreams, right?
I hope so. I mean,
Yeah,
होता है तो बड़ी like अच्छी बात है.
ज़रूर होगा.
Yeah.
But on that
But
note,
also the note to like dads to be like my dad, you know, like I would definitely say he's like my thing. Like I feel like I got really lucky.
I'm a dad. I'd love to get 3 points that I must follow from you as a dad of a daughter.
Yeah, like if you're a dad of a, and you're not, but if you're a dad of a son and daughter, don't see them differently.
Correct.
Like prioritize your children's happiness and independence, and be there for them. My dad, that currency of time, my dad sacrificed a lot of his career and a lot of his just to make sure that he gave us a very stable upbringing where he was always available. He was always available.
Wow.
That's
I'm sure you miss him dearly. You know.
I mean, I think I need 10 years of. I mean, I don't think I'll ever get over it. So
I don't think you should.
yeah, I don't think I should. Yeah.
Also. Well, I want you to know before you go that my favorite flavor is this one,
Yeah.
which is the dark chocolate
yeah,
cranberry. But dark chocolate cranberry.
Yeah.
What's yours?
Mine is also the same. Like I literally have it every day. It's like my.
I don't usually share my yoga bar, but ada.
Yeah.
Done. You take the smaller piece,
Yeah,
huh?
thank you.
I'm greedier that way. So I'm going to take it out of them because sound-wise it
Yeah,
makes the thing.
yeah.
On that note, cheers,
Cheers.
Suhasini. And thank you
Vishal.
very, very, very much. I look forward to getting all the goodies from you.
Absolutely.
कुछ तो advantage होना चाहिए दोस्तों का जो ऐसे होते हैं.
Now you're going to influence हम कैसे market करेंगे. Like I'm going to take your advice.
I'm sorry, I cannot. I'm getting distracted. I'm drooling right now. Guys, that's Suhasini for you. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Oh my God.
It's good.
While I'm chewing, मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ, I'm extremely motivated. I'm extremely inspired. Thank you, Suhasini, for being on the Vishal Hour. And I'm so proud that you were the first woman on the Vishal Hour.
Oh,
Thank you for gracing us with your presence.
Thank you so much, Vishal.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you.